Alright, what's going on YouTube? So some months back, somebody asked me to make a video on how to get local admins from remote machines, whether it be on a domain join machine or a just work group join machine. And like I said, this was months ago, so I don't know who it was that asked me to do this because I don't remember if it was an email or comment or whatever. But anyway, so this is how I did it. I thought there was a commandlet probably to do this, but I couldn't find one. So if you do this a different way, I would be interested to know how you do this. Basically what I did is I found this on the Script Center. Now this is 9-year-old code, but I pretty much took the guts of this and I won't say cleaned it up, but I improved upon it is what I will say to have it do what I needed it to do. So here is the code. So this is the name of the function, Get-LocalAdmins, only one parameter, computer name, so we have to have computer names, obviously. Put a little check in here. We want to ping each computer name before we run the code, just making it a little more efficient. If the computer is not pingable, there's really no need in running the code. So if it is pingable, it's going to write it to this text file. If it's not pingable, it's going to write this, the computer name is unreachable to the console. So we're going to write this live PCs.txt. That's what we're going to actually run the code off of. And here is the nuts and bolts of how we're going to get to the local admins. So we're using Get-WMIObject, the Win32 group user class, and where is it? The part component property. And we're using essentially the same code as this person did on Script Center. I just did a little bit more formatting, added the out null here so we didn't see a bunch of stuff on the console. And then down here we're just cleaning up the text file, so not terribly complex, a little bit more flexible. So in its simplest form, Cli2 is not a valid machine, so it'll write unreachable. So I could do comma separated computer names like that, or I could import them from a text file. So if I want to do more than just a few, I don't want to type them all. And I think you'll agree the default table format doesn't necessarily give us the format we're looking for. You see the little 3 dots, so it's cutting off some text, so we can auto size it and wrap, and this will give us what we're actually looking for. So this is the actual stuff we're looking for. These are the local admins of each one of these servers, whether it's a domain account or a locally created admin account. And if you wanted to do the same thing, but you wanted to dump it to a CSV, you could also do that. I'll just use these 2 servers and dump it to the desktop. So this is what your CSV file will look like. And you can see it puts all each local admin in the same cell. So if you wanted to add this to a report, it'd be a little easier, so you know these are all for the domain controller. These are all for the server. So not terribly complex. I hope that helped somebody out. If you can think of any other questions, video ideas, shoot them my way in the form of comments or an email or on the Twitter machine. However, this code will be on the website. I'm also going to start putting this stuff on GitHub just because it makes sense. And yeah, so I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment, etc., etc. And hopefully I'll start doing this a little more often as time permits. All right, thanks for watching.